Hello dear friends. Welcome to my new video on the Smart Assistant channel. In this short tutorial, I'll guide you through simple steps to quickly remove your WhatsApp status. The process is the same for both Android and iPhone devices. So, if you're ready, let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp application. Then, in the top menu, tap on the e-update option. Once you've done that, in the Status section, tap on My Status. Now, tap on the 3 vertical dots on your status, and after that, tap on the Delete option. Tap on a Delete again to confirm the deletion. Great, you have now deleted your status from WhatsApp. Very easy and simple. That's all for this video. If the video helped you, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you soon.